Hello and welcome to Beazer Homes, the Cove at Sparrows Point Country Club. We're going to be taking a tour of the Potomac floor plan today. Right here you see the model homes in the community. This is the Easton, that's the ended group, and it's the Potomac that is the interior one that we're going to be looking through here. And you can see, you know, they really do it nice with landscaping and the grass and everything. So, you know, we got a whole bunch of homes being built back here. Beazer is a spec builder too, so we got a whole bunch of quick move-in homes that are going to be available. We got 4 different floor plans that they're building back here. 1 and 2 car garages, front and rear loads, and then you get special financing deals and incentives with a use of some of their choice lenders that they have on their lending list. And then the Sparrows Point Country Club has thrown in some perks too, where you have access to the restaurant and the bar, tennis and pickleball court usage, stand-up paddleboard access, marina access, and there's other options to upgrade your membership plans that are available. And you know, Beazer also is a home builder that specializes in low energy bills, so these homes are powered with some solar stuff too. So we're going to take a look through, like I said, the Potomac, which is the model we're going to look at today. It's right here, and here's your electric main, and then you got your solar stuff right here out front. This is a 1-car garage front load townhome, and it's got some nice brick on the front here. All comes with your keyless entry, you know, numbers. And one thing I wanted to say, their pricing, just in case you're wondering, starts at $449,990 back here, and you can actually get into a house that's pretty tricked out with a lot of the features and the cool stuff you want, and still be in the 400s. So, you know, it's definitely worth to come out here and take a look at, because there's nothing else around here that's like these homes. So here's what the Potomac looks like. You got your foyer entryway, got your nice floors here, and then it's got your boxwood stairs going up, which is a popular feature. I think that is an option. Not 100% sure on what are options and what aren't. But this is going to be your garage access. Oh, look, maybe you get a golf cart too. I'm kidding. You probably don't. But they do come with your hose bib in your garage, if you look at that. And you can zoom in and look and see the hose bib right there, which is great. So during the winter time, you don't have to worry about it getting frozen and busted on everything. But you know, we got your garage here, so you'll be coming in this way, and then we come down and take a peek at your rec room area down here. You can get a look and see what this has to offer. Really nice view here. They have your utility furnace here, some extra paint, your hot water heater, and your sprinkler shutoffs, and probably your main hose shutoffs too, and some kind of smart chip board. I don't really know what that thing is, but it's on your HVAC system, so I'm sure it's doing something for you. And then we come back here, we got, let's see what's in here. We got a bathroom in here. If I can find the light switch, I'll get it for you. I'll get the light switch on for you. Take a peek in the bathroom. You got your toilet, recessed lights in your toilet here. And then nice carpeting, nice fresh lines of vacuum. All right, we got a window here that's a big window, so it feels like you get a lot of natural light coming in to this room, so it doesn't feel like you're in a basement. you know, like a rec room basement. You really feel like you're in a house, in like a family room, rec room. You could probably use this as like another bedroom if you really wanted to. Maybe, you know, do like a door here or something if you wanted to do that later once you moved in. We're going to go upstairs, take a peek, see what we got upstairs. And this place is really decorated nice. It's neutral. Get some nice ideas on what you can do in your own house when you come in here. You know. Alright, so we had the boxed hardwood. Then we have some, looks like LVP flooring in here. And then you're just going to love this kitchen. Take a look at this kitchen. This is just like, wow. I'm in love. You got a breakfast bar that fits 1, 2, 3, 4 breakfast stools. It's nice and long and wide. And you don't realize how big it really is until you come here and you're like, man, that's a 36-inch sink. Wow. Look at that. Got some pendant lights in here. 9-foot ceilings on this level. This one's got some under the cabinet lights. Stainless appliances. Gorgeous countertops. Gorgeous backsplash. What a nice house. And then it even comes with the breakfast island here. Still have plenty of room. You got plenty of room for table space. This table seats 6. You could probably get an even bigger table over here than what they have shown. And then this has a deck on it. This is what that looks like. Just kind of get an idea off the deck what the view is going to be like. There's the golf course down there. And then you get your maintenance-free deck. Maintenance-free deck. Look how nice that is. Isn't that gorgeous? Alright, let's come back in here. And we're going to come back down this way. And we're going to walk into the living room. We're going to see what this looks like. So this is set up. Got a nice big area over here with a long sofa and love seat and chair, 2 end tables. And then you still have this extra space over here, which gives you even more space where you could put a little desk and have your morning coffee right here while you read your Bible or you check your emails on your laptop in the morning, get ready for what the day's going to have for you, get on your chat GPT or whatever like I do. And then here around the corner they have a little nook little built-in here, which is kind of nice. You can kind of store some extra stuff in there, maybe holiday stuff or whatever, little trinkets. And then in here we have another half bath, which is going to be a half bath on the main level. You can see, and there's 9-foot ceilings on this level, so it makes it feel even bigger too. So you got that too. Look how nice this is. Toilet should be closed, but it's okay. It's okay. We're not perfect all the time. Alright, so we're going to come back around and take one more peek at this because I want you to really get a good idea with how nice this is and how big this is down here. I mean, look how big that is. That is huge. And it's a nice open concept. I mean, count how many recessed lights you get. I mean, it's really a nice... They even got some crown molding they throw up there for you. Over here and over here. You know, it's really done nice. You get some molding on your cabinets too. Alright, so we're going to go up. Looks like they did the box stairs again, going up to the upper level here. So we're going to come upstairs and take a look and see what we got here. I think you're going to be impressed. We're going to go where you want to go first, which is the master suite. This is going to be the master suite here. Ooh boy, got a Pre-wire for a ceiling fan. Got some recessed lights. Got a nice big, huge king bed in here. 2 end tables. And you still have plenty of extra space. Got a big dresser as well. And then you got your super huge walk-in closet in here. Store all your stuff. Attic access. And then we come into the bathroom. You're really gonna like this. His and her sinks. We got his and her sinks. And then we got the shower. Got a transom window here for some more light. Nice rain, soft kind of shower head here with a sprayer, looks like. That's nice. Seamless glass doors. And then we got that double vanity. And it's got some nice finishes in here, you know. Got some nice finishes. You know, people don't pay attention to that sometimes. You got, you know, your kind of antique bronze look. Or these might be black. You know, but it's just really makes a difference, you know. Even that matches. Everything matches. All the hardware matches. You know. Hardware on the doors. Brushed nickel. Everything looks nice. We come back out here, we see the bedroom again. Look at that. Look at that bedroom. Nice big bedroom. Alright, now we're going to come out into the hallway. See what we have out here. Got some doors. Let's see what's in this one. This is going to be your network and your solar power stuff. And then we got your upper level laundry in here with your front loading washers and dryers. You're going to have to talk to the sales reps because I'm not sure if that's included or not, but it is in this particular model home here. Then we come in here. We got the hall bath. Here's the hall bath. Alright, look at that. Same fixtures and finishes. And we got nice finishes. Nice towel. Nice finishes in there too. They really build a nice home, Beazer does. You know, quality, quality, quality. Alright, so here's going to be the second bedroom. Pretty nice size. Looks like it might be a full or a queen in here. I can't really tell. 2 end tables. And then you got a pretty nice sized closet. And then in here, same thing. Third bedroom. This one you got a little nook area over here where you can put an actual chest of drawers over here. And then 2 end tables. And then your bed, your full size or queen size or whatever that is. So, alright, so if you've liked what you've seen in this video, you know, give me a call, shoot me a text. Let's make an appointment, come out here and check out this place and see what you can do to make a deal out here, because it is a super awesome community. There's going to be so many different amenities. I mean, you got an option to join a country club if you live here. I mean, that's pretty cool. That's something that not many communities offer. So it's definitely worth the drive to come down, check out, see what you can price out, you know, for the home of your dreams, and see if you spec it out to what you want in it, and see if the numbers work. You know, you might be surprised. You know, they can work some magic sometimes. So come on down, check them out, give me a call, and we'll put together a deal and get you a good deal too. So thanks for coming by today. Take care.